crazy. I think me and Yes go crazy. I think me and Young go crazy. I did 56 bras on the European tour and they was all crazy. I did 56 bras on the European tour and they was all crazy. I took 56 bras all in 1 month, nigga.
Hey, what's good, y'all? Like, look, you feel me? Hey, let me move these pillows out the way. Feel me? I'm in my, damn. All right, Chase. They still in the damn frame. The fuck? Now I gotta piss. All right, y'all, you feel me? I was just chilling right here. I was like recording and shit. I was just on my phone recording and shit. Like the sunlight is hitting right now. Like I can't tell right now because of this, but like the sunlight is hitting right now on my phone, on my cellular device right now. So I'm like, bro, I might as well just forget the ring light and just do the video without it. But I'm looking at the screen right now and it don't even look that good, like from the camera, but on my phone it looks great. So, you know what I'm saying? We about to do the monkey act. I'm gonna just ask females to rate me 1 through 10. Feel me? I'm just asking them to rate me 1 through 10, you know what I'm saying? I feel good today. I feel like I look good, you know what I'm saying? You know, I'm kinging right now, you feel me? I feel good right now, y'all. So look, I'm gonna just turn on the ring light right now so I can look better over here. That's too bright. Maybe I am gonna have to. Listen, hey, I'm something serious, man. Just tell me I'm not. Just tell me I'm not. Ladies, just tell me I'm not something serious. Hey, I'm something serious, man. Just tell me I'm not. Just tell me I'm not. Alright, you feel me? YouTube. Bro, I just had to figure out the lighting, bro. Like, I just like the scene that I was in for the moment, cause like I was recording videos and stuff. Like I was feeling like I was looking good. You feel me? I didn't even do my intro though. I'm tripping, but I was feeling like I was looking good. I'm like, shit, you feel me? This natural light looking crazy. I might not even have to use the ring light, but you feel me? Of course, when I bring my camera in here, the lighting just didn't look right. But I think it's probably cause like how I had it positioned. But forget it now. I didn't play with the ring light. I brought my ring light in. I didn't play with the ring light. Got the settings how I like it right now. You feel me? But let me do my intro because I look good. I wish it got, like, when I'm doing this, if I was this skin color, like for the video, that'd be dope. Because that shit look good. Tell me I don't look good, ladies. Just let me know. Just let your boy know, man. Just let me know. Am I kinging or what? Just let me know. If I shoot my shot, what I miss? I won't pass up on this. Feel me? Hey, what did Quavo say? What did Quavo say? You only get one chance, don't blow it. You feel me? But I'm gonna get on Monkey Act today. You feel me? Hopefully it's early, so hopefully I can get on here and get some girls, bag a few girls real quick. Cause last time I got on here, you feel me? I guess it was too late, and those shorties was popping up. It was like all niggas, and then some niggas weren't even in the queue. Like some people wouldn't, not niggas. Some like people in general wasn't even in the queue. Like I couldn't even match up with nobody. But you feel me? I'm gonna go on here right now. I'm going Monkey Act and asking to rate me 1 through 10. You feel me? That's just what we got up today, man. You feel me? Let's see, bro. Hopefully I'm getting all 10s, bro, cause I'm a 10. Just tell me I'm not a 10. Alright. Hopefully this motherfucker is gonna work this time around because I'm really not trying to keep doing this shit, bro. Like it's really pissing me off. You feel me? The screen recording starts in 3, 2, 1. You feel me? Let's get in here, man. I done got 10s. I got 2 10s, 2 8.5s. Yeah, man. It's just like my shit just keep tweaking. It's still recording now. Yeah. Alright, period. You gotta check, bro. Like, it's fucking me. It's fucking with me, bro, and it's pissing me off. Hello?
What?
I said hello.
Hey.
What's up? You got time? You got time? You said I'm cute?
Yeah.
Appreciate that.
You welcome.
So, what am I? 1 through 10 though?
9.
A 9. Why you say that? What made me a 9? Well, what makes me a 9?
I don't know. Your lips pink.
Okay.
And you got dreads. And you got dimples. And you got nose ring. That's cute.
You like tattoos too?
Yeah.
I got a little something. Nothing too major. A little
You
something.
get one on your chest.
Huh? Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna get that song. It's coming this summer for sure.
Big.
Yeah. Appreciate that though.
You welcome. I'm so weak.
You feel me? You feel me? I just know how to talk to the shorties, man. You feel me? Like I got juice. You feel me? I've been pulling them since a little guy. You feel me? Little tykes. Janelle, let's see what she talking about. Hey, bruh. Ace, you 15, bruh. You 15, Ace. I think my border be 17. I just got skipped by a 17-year-old. I think I asked 17-year-olds the question. No 16s. I asked a 17-year-old. You feel me? I asked her.
Ben, I like your dreads.
Appreciate
so
it.
nice.
Appreciate it. You got time?
Yeah.
Alright, so can I ask you a question though?
Are you on YouTube or what?
Nah, I just want to know. Cause I'm feeling myself today. You feel me? I woke up in a good mood. I've been all on Snapchat and stuff. You feel me? I feel like I look good, but I just want to know what everybody else thinks. So I just decided to hop on Monkey. You see? So I just wanted to know what I am. 1 through 10.
A solid.
Solid.
You're a solid 8 or 9.
8 or 9.
You're solid. Wait, I just want to. You're solid 9. You're
A
solid
9. A 9. I'll take that. I appreciate that.
Yeah, no problem.
I don't even know how to exit out this. How you exit out this? I don't even know how to work this.
Here, first add.
She want me. She want me bad.
Alright.
Then I'm gonna press it, okay? I'm gonna go.
Alright.
Alright, bye.
Shorty still didn't tell me how to do that. Man, y'all good. Bruh, y'all fucking up. Yo, Monkey, chill, bro. I'm in the vibe. You feel me? I'm catching W's right now, straight dubs right now. W10s. Vero, I like that.
3, 2, 1.
Period. Hey, I add time real quick. Tough. Hey. No, shorty. I'm a hitter for real though. Like I really be hitting that shit. Like no cap. I'm a hitter. Damn, Jamie, what the fuck you scared me for? Your old ass shouldn't be on here any fucking way. Freedom. Timed out. What the fuck that mean? Ah, I said no 16-year-olds. Fuck. She skipped me anyway. I said no 16-year-olds. I saw the fucking profile picture and was like, whoa.
What's that?
What up?
Yo, you look like Swally.
Sway Lee? I get that a lot.
Swally, whatever. Swally. Yeah, you do. I was like, the hell?
So you think Sway Lee cute or nah? So would that mean I'm ugly?
Nah. Stop.
Period. So what am I? 1 through 10 though?
9. Yeah.
9. Appreciate that. That's smooth. I'll take a 9. That's smooth for real.
What do you usually take?
I'll take a 10. You feel me? But somebody just told me. I think somebody just told me I was 8. I got a few 8s. 8.5.
Take a 9.
Yeah, 9.
How about her?
She a 9 too. even know how to work this, to be honest with y'all. I don't even know how to get out of here.
Do you smoke?
Do I smoke? Occasionally, but not all the time.
But what do you smoke? That's what you mean.
But
Yes, with that good shit.
hey yo, hey y'all, hey, let me know. I'm fucking funny. Hey, and I got away with the fucking ladies, man. Hey, if y'all want me to teach y'all how to shoot y'all a shot, bro, I can teach y'all for sure.
Let's fix that. Oh shit.
What's up? Add time. What's up?
Where you from?
Ohio. Where you from?
You said what?
I'm from Ohio. Where you from?
Oregon.
Oregon. That's across the map.
Mm-hmm. So when you find me out there.
Oh shit. You know what I'm saying?
You said.
I don't even know. I don't even know for real.
I'm music friend.
Period. Can I ask you a question though?
What's up?
What you would rate me 1 through 10 though?
10.
10?
Light skin.
That 10?
Think I'm cute. She wanna have sex.
Light skins all the way.
All the way. I at least somebody understand you feel me. I've been trying to bring us back to life and shit, you feel me? But
Bring that shit back to life.
I'm trying for sure, you feel me? I'm
Keep trying. And hit my life.
I got you. Hey, see, like, it just come easy. Let me see. Hello. Huh?
You like the car?
Hey, fuck all that. You feel me? I just got away with the ladies, man. Like, no fucking cap. She said when I'ma fly her out. You feel me? You guys to top me. Hey, shout out Soul. You gotta top me first. I needs to top. You know what I'm saying? We don't discriminate. We don't discriminate out here. Bro, these bitches be lying. How you gonna say you 19, you got you look 12 in your damn profile picture? Like, come on now. You not 19. Come on. Stop the cap. Hello.
Hey, sorry, I'm drinking.
Damn, you on monkey and driving? That's tough. I don't want to be a distraction because I look too good. I don't want to be a distraction. I look too good, my baby. I look too fucking good, man. Just imagine passing up on this, you feel me? You only get one chance. Do not blow it. You do not blow it.
Boy, if you don't get
You 15. All right, here we go.
Peace out. Oh, hey.
Hey, what's up?
So you girl?
Huh?
You got a girl?
Nah, I'm single.
Damn, how?
I don't even know. You feel me?
Where you from?
Ohio.
What part of Ohio? Greenfield.
Dayton. Nah, I don't stay. I ain't from the field. I stay in Dayton.
Wow, you lied.
Who lied?
You got an iPhone?
Yeah.
You want to text?
Where you from?
I'm from Ohio.
What city?
From Greenfield.
She from Springfield?
No. I'm from Ohio.
What part though?
I live in Cleveland.
Cleveland?
Yeah, the most fucked up part that's racist as shit.
Who that? Your brother or something?
Yeah, that's my son.
No, that's my bitch right here.
Bitch, please. I'm speaking to the motherfucking capitalized bitch.
Period.
So where are you from?
from Dayton. I'm from Dayton.
Hey, ain't that shit like 2-3 hours from here? Like,
Yeah, I think it's like little ways from Cleveland. Yeah.
it's like 2 or 3 hours some shit.
Yeah, I'm about to leave. I'm 19 though. I'm about to leave Ohio though this weekend.
Why?
My mom moved to Georgia, so I'm about to go down there.
Damn, that's sad. We need some more niggas like you in Ohio.
Hey, it can only be one of it. It can only be one. It's only one
And
step.
make some clones of you. Like, damn. Damn, that light is fucking you up.
Yeah, light hit me different for some reason. I don't know why.
Ooh-wee.
I don't know
And
why.
the mistake. And you got dreads.
Yeah.
Everything she like, damn.
Tattoos?
You got tattoos?
Yeah.
Them bitches are attractive.
Yeah. I'm about to go crazy though. I'm about to get sprayed this summer.
Pictures, dog.
You said?
Damn, you got Instagram?
Yeah. I just made a new one. You can go follow me at Girls Love Steph. I literally just made a new one like a couple of days ago.
I was gonna text you on here so you can send me your Instagram.
All right.
Alright.
Bro, hey, like I'm saying, you feel me? What is you doing? What are you doing? Damn, I'm getting the flip off rip.
That's your profile picture of you. I had you back.
That's tough. That's just a signature pose.
Did you take your hair out?
Damn, I should have told him to add time. I be forgetting to say that. I be forgetting to say that shit. Gabby scared me. You corny.
Look, your backs. Oh, I love your eyes.
Appreciate that.
And your dimples. Oh my god.
Appreciate it.
How old are you?
I'm 19.
I'm 17.
Yeah, it's cool.
I don't look 17.
You don't look 17. You
I have
don't.
a baby face.
Yeah, it's cool. I ask you a question though.
Uh-huh.
All right, so on a scale of 1 through 10, what am I?
Baby boy, you a 10.
She want me.
For real. I appreciate that.
Alright.
Baby boy. Hey yo. Alright y'all, that's gonna be the end of the video, man. Let me know if y'all want me to do a part 2 or ask some more crazier questions or something like that, man. I didn't try so hard to do this, man. There's so many times I tried to record this today and it just went left. But I appreciate everybody coming out to the video, man. Hit that like button, subscribe if you new, man. You know what I'm saying? It only get lit from up here. You feel me? And it don't get better than Young Steph. As you can tell, I get nothing but W's over here. All the ladies love me, man. I'm Girls Love Steph for a fucking reason. Like I said, man, what did Quavo say? You only get one chance. Don't blow it. You feel me? Appreciate all the love and support, man. It's your boy, Young Steph. I'm out this motherfucker, man. Gang shit, man.
Open your eyes, what do you see? You were supposed to be married to me. I don't know what you've been doing, the vibe again is different than what it should be. Not only did I just give you my heart, I kept it real from the tip of the start. Remember you told me you lied,